Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xE60000. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're having problems with NVIDIA here and you're having problems installing or updating it, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to know the name of your GPU. So usually to see that, you just need to press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, and this would open up Task Manager. Now in here, you want to go and just click on the option here that says Performance, and you want to look for GPU, and you just need to take note of the name of your GPU here. So in my case, this is what my GPU is. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and close any apps, or in this case, any open apps that is running or is currently NVIDIA. So in this case, you want to go and just go to navigation here. Let's go and open up navigation. You want to go to processes, and in here, what you need to do is you want to go and look for NVIDIA. Now in here, if you do see any NVIDIA open up, what you need to do is you want to go and close it. Now to close it, you want to go and right click on it, click on End Task, and you want to do this for every app that you are going to see inside your Task Manager. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to uninstall the actual app. Now to do that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be app. So type in app, and you want to follow this with Wiz. So just close this. Let's go and just type in app Wiz, and you want to go and just type in CPL, and you should see this one. Let's go open it up, click on it, and this should open up programs and features. Now again, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for anything NVIDIA related. Now once you do see any NVIDIA in here, again, you want to go ahead and select it. So for example, this one, go and select this one, and go and click on uninstall and change. Now you want to do this for every NVIDIA app or any NVIDIA related item that you are currently seeing in here. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go restart your PC, and from then on, you want to go ahead and open up any browser. And in here, just type in NVIDIA drivers. Now, inside your search results, go open up the downloads, the official NVIDIA drivers here. And again, you want to go and search for your product. So in my case, it's going to be a 4050. Now, this is going to be this one, Windows 11. And once you do see yours in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on Find. And what you need to do is you want to go and download the actual driver. So in this case, you want to go ahead and click on View here in one of them, and click on the download button. Now, once download is complete, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically run the .exe file. Now, to run the .exe file here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just wait for it real quickly here. Let's go open up the folder, and you want to go double click on it. Now from here on, it should open up the setup window. So you can go and just select the location here, click on OK, and just follow the on-screen steps. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.